This video shares the reviews of Moisturize Max Reviews and answers the basic questions like how to use these specifications, benefits, and others. As winter comes, cold, dry air can damage your skin and skin. However, you do not have to suffer from cracked lips, broken nose, and cracked hands. If the air in your home is permanently dry or you just want to fight the cold from time to time, a great moisturizer can work wonders to introduce moisture and improve your air quality and health. What is Moisturize Max? Moisturize is an ultrasonic humidifier is great for anyone looking for relief while they sleep. In general, a cool mist humidifier is best because it emits a vapor that can keep you cool while it hydrates, but you can find warm mist ultrasonic humidifiers as well if you live in cooler areas but still want the benefits. What are the advantages of Moisturize Max? You may have seen the different types of humidifiers you can purchase and why they're so great. From warm mist to cool mist, and evaporative to Moisturize Max ultrasonic portable humidifier, you can get a lot of benefits from humidifiers. Today, we're going to talk about the Moisturize Max ultrasonic humidifier. It's quiet. Moisturize Max ultrasonic humidifiers use high-frequency sound vibration to create the mist that it puts out. It uses a fan or boiling water, which can be bothersome if you're a light sleeper and prefer a more quiet environment when you're sleeping. Long-lasting. The best thing about Moisturize Max ultrasonic humidifier is that you can go several nights, depending on the model, without refilling the tank. This makes it perfect if you want something low maintenance that improves your quality of sleep. Less cleaning. Moisturize Max ultrasonic humidifiers tend to be easier to clean, but even with this in mind, it's still important to make sure that you're following the instructions right from the manufacturer. Models can vary in assembly and maintenance, so getting instructions for your particular model will be the best way to get the most out of your humidifier. Safe to use. Moisturize Max humidifiers are safer to use in nurseries and around pets. Since it doesn't need to boil water to create the vapor, you don't have to worry about the heat burning anyone who might accidentally come into contact with it. Low maintenance. Moisturize Max ultrasonic humidifier cleaning can be easier with and refills aren't required as often. They are relatively low maintenance. Great for busy individuals who need something easy and effective. Breathe easier. One of the most common respiratory issues we experience is due to the air we breathe. If you're taking in dry air, it's increasing your rate of snoring and congestion. Moisturize Max ultrasonic humidifiers add moisture to the air to minimize these occurrences. Easy to use. Be sure to read any assembly instructions carefully. Once you get it assembled, it's a matter of filling the tank and maintaining it regularly. Why you should purchase Moisturize Max. If you think a humidifier might be too much work to keep regulated, Moisturize Max humidifier is best for you. Using an Moisturize Max humidifier is like using any smart device. They usually come with a built-in humidistat and can be set to your own specific preferences. By being able to regulate your humidifier easily, you can keep the humidity levels in your room at safe levels to make sure the air isn't too dry or too humid. We already know what air that is too dry can do to your health. It dries out your body from the inside out, making chapped lips and bloody noses a common occurrence. Air that's too humid can encourage mold and bacteria to flourish. Moisturize Max new healthy ultrasonic portable humidifier moisturizer is a digital cool mist humidifier that can be one of the best humidifiers you ever purchase because it has everything you need to sleep, feel, and look better. Set your humidity levels to hydrate your skin and sinuses and help you wake up refreshed. The cool mist comes in handy in those dry, hot months when you might feel at your worst, especially with allergies. Hot air actually helps bacteria travel faster and spread. If you're suffering from cold or flu symptoms, a digital humidifier is optimal since you won't have to fuss with the humidity level of your room. All you have to do is set it and get your much-needed rest. Since Moisturize Max ultrasonic humidifiers tend to last longer, you can feel confident using your humidifier night after night without mildew or mold accumulating. If possible, look for an ultrasonic humidifier with a permanent ceramic filter. That way, you won't have to worry about replacing your filter. That doesn't mean you should not maintain it and disinfect it whenever possible. Remember, you should always clean your humidifier according to the manufacturer's instructions to stay healthy and get all the benefits from an ultrasonic humidifier. Where can you get Air Moisturize Max today? Air Moisturize Max is available online at a 50% discount. The company has limited stock available with free shipping. If you do not find the product satisfactory, you will get a 30-day money-back guarantee. They are also providing free shipping worldwide. Check the link below in video description. Thank you for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.